Hello student. Today we are going to discuss again a trigonometry lecture number 3, but the topic is application of trigo if the angles are known to us. Okay. Remember one thing, in your syllabus we have only 5 angles. Which are they? 0 degree, 30 degree, 60, one more 45 and 90. I repeat, 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. These 5 angles you have. Okay. I have made a special PPT for that, and I will be sharing that PPT to you. So in that PPT I have one special slide for that, in which I have given different trigo ratios if the angles are known to you. Means in that table, in that PPT, you will see that if sine is written and it is 30 degree, so here I have written as 1 by 2. Okay, so what is the meaning of that? So it means that sine 30 degree is equal to 1 by 2. You got it? First of all trigo, then angle equal to this number. So you will read the slide that way. Okay, so on the same line I have one more trigo. It was suppose cos 60 degree. Okay, so in the table how I have mentioned, it is shown like this one, cos 60 degree. Okay, so that is 1 by 2. So it will be written as 1 by 2 like this one. Okay, you got the concept, you got the idea how to read that slide, how to read that particular table. Okay, before starting with this kind of questions, remember one thing. First of all, by heart these tables, whatever I have given in the PPT, you have to learn all those values. Until and unless you are not very confident, don't start this sums, because each and every sum will require those values from the table. So अगर table नहीं पता होगा तो this will be very much tougher for you. Okay, and this is one of the easiest part in trigo. Okay, now let us start. So the question is find the values of this and this one. So we go for question number 1. Okay, then we will solve that question number 2. Okay, so sine 60. So in that slide, sine 60 degree, the value was root 3 upon 2. Remember, again I am repeating, before starting this questions, this sum, this lecture number 3, it is advisable to refer the slide first of all. Okay, in that particular table is given in which all these angles will be seen: 0 degree, 30, 45, 60, 90. Okay, so first of all, by that table, then only you start, then only you will understand what is going on here. Now cos 30 degree, so in that table it is root 3 upon 2 plus cos 60. Okay, the cos 60 is half and sine 60 is half. Okay, then let's simplify. That work or the job of table is over. Once you get this values, uske baad normal maths. Okay, that is LCM, multiplication, addition, subtraction, whatever it is, that normal process, just go for that. So root 3, 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4. On simplification, 3 plus 1 is 4 by 4. Answer is 1. Isn't it that easier? Okay, simple. We go for this one now. Cot square 30. Now we have square. Okay, so whenever you have any power, remember, write that power outside the bracket. It's something like this. Okay, now forget about the power. Suppose I just hide this power too. So what is seen? It is seen as cot 30 degree. So in that table, the value of cot 30 degree, okay, so it is root 3. Okay, it is root 3. Okay, now here we have cos 60 square. So let's hide this square. So I have trigo ratio of cos 60 degree. The value of cos 60 degree is half. Okay, on the same line I have sec 45 degree. The value of sec 45 is root 2. That will look like root 2 ka square. And we have sec 30 degree. So value of sec 30 is 2 upon root 3 and the whole square. Okay, now after putting these values, okay, let's simplify. The value of root 3 ka square is 3 minus 2 into 1 upon 2 square is 1 upon 4. Okay. Root 2 ka square is 2. 2 square 4. And denominator mein root 3 ka square 3. Okay. So let us simplify. 3 minus we can just cancel out 2. Here we can do the cancellation. Over there not possible. Okay. So what is left? Half minus 3 by 2 minus 16 upon 3. So we'll go for LCM throughout the fraction. In the denominator nothing is here. Nothing is written. We will write 1. So LCM of 1, 2 and 3 is 6. Isn't it? Okay. So let's multiply this number by 6. So this is 18 minus multiply this one by 3. Multiply this number by 3. So 3 3s are 9. And multiply this number by 2. So 32. So how much is it? 18 minus 3, 15. 15 minus 9, 6. 6 minus 32 minus 26. So it is minus 26 upon 6. Okay. After cancellation, your answer will be minus 13 upon 3. Okay. So that's your final answer. So what is important? Most important part is that you must learn those tables. Okay, this values has to be by hearted. Until and unless you don't by heart, you don't understand those values, this portion is not possible for you. Clear? Alright, now let us go for another kind of. Now we go for page number next second. Again the same method but little bit different way. Okay, question number 3 for today. Question says find the value of x. 2 sine 3x equal to root 3. Okay, fine. And one more we can have. We can have tan x equal to sine 45. Just hold on. Sine 45 cos 45 plus sine 30. Okay, both the question have the same format. They said what? Find the value of x. Sometimes they say solve this equation. Solve can meaning what? Find the value of x. Okay, let us start with this one. So here, first of all, this 2 should be transferred on the right hand side. So it is now root 3 upon 2. Okay, now in that table, root 3 upon 2. Okay, on the left hand side we have trigo of sine, right? So we will go for the table of sine. Okay, so in the table of sine, root 3 upon 2, does it appear? Yes, it appears. For what value? 60 degree, correct. So this root 3 upon 2 can be written as sine 60. One is the same one, right? We can write sine 60 as root 3 upon 2. But definitely on the converse part, reverse part, root 3 upon 2 can be written as sine 60 degree. You got it? Alright, but why sine 60 degree? I had even cos 30 also possible. So why sine? Because on the left I had sine. If this would have been cos, so definitely I would have written cos 30 degree. So right hand side depends on left hand side. The value which is to be replaced will be purely depending on the trigo which is given in the question. Okay. Now sine on the right side, both will be cancelled, but don't cancel like this one. Okay. It's a something different process which is not in your syllabus. So just don't cancel. So what is left? 3x. What is left? 60 degree. Sine is cancelled. Okay. Now 3x and 60. So 3 will go other side. So x is equal to 60 upon 3 to x is equal to 20 degree. So we have solved the first question. Okay. Same is here. But issue is that x is on left hand side and it is only tan x. There is no other number. So tan x remain as it is. On the right we have different angles. Okay, let's work it on that. Sin 45 degree is 1 by root 2. Cos 45 1 by root 2. Sin 30 is half. Okay. Now multiplication of these two, because as per the Borman's rule, multiplication is given the priority and addition is given the second priority. So 1 by root 2 and 1 by root 2 will multiply. So 1 1s are 1, root 2s are 2 plus half. Now LCM, so that is going to be 2 by 2, that is 1. So I got tan x is equal to 1. Now this looks similar to this one, little bit, not exact but similar kind of, right? Now what we do, I have to replace this 1. Okay, but replacement of 1 with which trigo ratio? So that is decided from left hand side. On the left with x I have 10. So on the right I should have 10. So in a table of 10, 1 comes for the angle of 45 degree. Exactly, it is for 45 degree. Okay, so tan 10 exactly matching now. So they can be cancelled and you are directly ready with your answer. Alright, is it clear to you? Okay, so again I am saying this is possible only if you are very confident about the table. Otherwise, it will be definitely difficult for you. Okay, now we go for next one more part. That is page number 3, question number 5. Okay, now question says that verify. Okay, verify sin 2 theta equal to 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta if theta is equal to the angle given is 30 degree. Okay, means what? Given angle is 30 degree, right? So you put this 30 degree on left hand side, solve. You put this 30 degree on right hand side, solve, and show that both the answers are equal. Got it? Let's do it. So we go for LHS. It is sin 2 theta. So sorry, sine of 2 theta means what? 2 is multiplying to theta, but the value of theta is 30 degree. So I can say 2 into 30 degree. Alright. So sine of this is going to be 60 degree, and from that table sine 60 is root 3 upon. So we got the value of LHS. Clear? Now we go for RHS. Okay, same process. Okay. Now let's put down these values. Tan 30 degree, in that table the answer is 1 by root 3. In the denominator. Okay, now let us simplify. That should be in the numerator as 2 by root 3. In denominator, first of all we simplify with the square. So that will be 1 square 1, root 3 square 3. Okay. Keep numerator same. Take LCM, so that should be 4 upon. Don't add 1 and 1, huh? Take LCM, so that will be 4 upon 3. Okay, now further part. This is 2 by root 3 multiply. This will reciprocate, so that should be 3 upon 4, right? So after cancellation, here we get 2. 3 and root 3 can be cancelled, or we say 3 can be written as root 3 multiply root 3. In the denominator, root 3 into 2 for your convenience, because many students cannot understand possibly. So I have expressed this 3 as root 3 into root 3 and then done the cancellation. Got it? So that should be root 3 upon 2. So this is the answer of what? So this is the answer of RHS. This is the answer of LHS. Now look at the answers. This is root 3 by 2. This is root 3 by 2. Since they are equal, so since LHS is equal to RHS, therefore sine 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta if theta equal to 30 degree. So hence our problem is solved. You got it? All right. Okay. Now same little bit. A small difference is that now, as we had only one angle, now we will have two angles. Okay. So question number 6, page number 4. Okay. So if A is equal to 30 degree, B is equal to 60 degree. So verify that, or we say prove that sine A plus B equal to sine A cos B plus cos A sine. Okay. So we start with LHS. Same workout, there is no difference. N number of angles are given, don't worry. Okay, just go as per our method. A 30 degree plus B 60 degree. So sine 30 plus 60 is 90 degree, and sine 80 degree in that table is 1. So LHS done. Now we go for RHS. So sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. Okay, let's put these values now here. So sine 30 degree cos 60 degree plus A 30 degree and sine 60 degree. Again value put up, sine 30 degree half cos 60, value of cos 60, it is root 3, sorry, my mistake, it is half. So it is 1 by 2. Cos 30, okay, that is root 3 by 2. Sin 60, root 3 by 2. Okay, let us simplify. 1 1s are 1, 2 2s are 4, root 3, 3, 2 2s are 4. So 1 plus 3 by 4. So that should be 4 by 4 equal to 1. Okay, so the answer of this also 1, answer of LHS also 1. So what we write? So since LHS is equal to RHS, therefore sine A plus B equal to sine A cos B plus cos A sine B if A is equal to 30 degree and B equal to 60 degree. Alright, so this is our today's lecture, in which we have discussed the trigonometric part using some 5 angles, which were there 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90 degree. Okay, so you have to remember this table perfectly, and then you try this kind of questions. Definitely you are going to crack all these kind of questions. Alright, and if any queries, so first of all revise this kind of questions again and again. You have got RD Sharma, you got textbook of NCERT, you have got this lecture. First of all, understand how to solve this question, because this is one of the easiest part in your syllabus. Okay, just value put up करना है, simplify करना, that's your LCM, addition, subtraction, simplification, that's it. Nothing extra is to be done. Alright, okay then, see you, good luck. Next time we will continue with the lecture number 4. Okay, chalo, bye, see you.